need some lamb, about 1.5 to 2 kilos of lamb shoulder. If you like, you can ask your butcher to chop it up for you into smaller pieces. So we're just going to make gashes on the surface of the meat to allow our marinade to penetrate through. So I'm just going to place the meat between 2 pieces of baking paper. And then we're going to prep the rest of our ingredients. We're then going to roughly chop up the onions. You'll need 2 medium-sized ones or 3 small onions. And I'm just roughly chopping this. Three to 4 potatoes, which we're also going to roughly chop. I've just cleaned mine and I'm gonna cut them up into chunks. 1 sweet paprika. We're going to deseed it and dice it as well. We're then going to make the marinade, and we're going to be using a 1/3 cup of olive oil, juice and rind of 1 lemon, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of smoked or sweet paprika, black pepper to taste, and you just want to blend this or just mix it up. To this, I'm going to add a teaspoon of oregano. To this, I'm adding 1/4 cup of chicken stock. We're also adding in a teaspoon of thyme. You can use fresh or dried thyme, either is okay. Mix to combine. And we're just going to pour the marinade on top of the lamb and veggies and just mix to combine. We're going to top it up with 2 tomatoes, quartered or halved, some bay leaves, fresh rosemary. Mine was in the freezer, that's why it looks like this. You can also use dried rosemary if you don't have fresh rosemary, that's totally okay. Like 2 to 4 sprigs. And 100-gram Parmesan, Roman cheese, or hard Greek cheese. This is optional. And then we're going to close everything up. So you then want to transfer the meat to your slow cooker. We're going to cover it really well and let it slow cook. We're going to cover this and let it cook on low for 10 to 12 hours, or on high for 5 to 6 hours. And it's done. And let's have a look. Carefully open it. And look at that. It literally falls off the bone.